Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum. Music and Arts Grade 5, Quarter 3, Lesson 4 to 6. Our topic for today is about Dance of Kalinga, Banga. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Applying the mediums, patterns, forms, and relevant practices in performing and visual arts in the production of creative works inspired by their locality or province and regions during the 16th to 17th century. Learning objectives. First, explore creative works of the locality or province and regions during the 16th to 17th century. Second, improvise available local and synthetic materials and attire in the production of creative works. Third, use mediums, patterns, forms, and relevant practices in performing and visual arts in the production of creative works inspired by their locality or province and regions during the 16th to 17th century. As a review, let's answer the following questions. 1. What do you call to the common musical structure often employed on songs, where a single musical section, typically verse, is repeated multiple times with different lyrics? Answer: strophic form. Strophic form. 2. An earthen container originated in the northern Cordillera region of the Philippines is called banga. Banga. 3. What do you call to the traditional folk song from the Cordillera of the northern Philippines, particularly the Kalinga tribe? Answer: salidumay. Salidumay. Week 4, Day 1. Activity 1. Watch the sayaw sa banga dance. Jot down artworks that are incorporated in the dance. Questions. What artwork did you find in the video? Answer: I saw the clay pots called banga, the colorful costumes, and the accessories worn by the dancers. What are the major roles of these artworks in the dance? Answer: the banga pots show the culture of the tribe and were used to make the dance more meaningful. The costumes and accessories helped show the tradition and made the dance beautiful and lively. Unlocking of content vocabulary. Identify which word is described by each phrase. Choose your answer from the box below. Write only the letter of your answer. Here are the choices. A. Beads. B. Gong. C. Tapis. D. Beat. E. Headpiece. 1. Small decorative objects that are typically pierced for threading or stringing. They are often used in jewelry, making, embroidery, and other crafts. Answer: beads. A. 2. A large, flat circular metal percussion instrument that produces a resonant sound when struck with a mallet. It is commonly used in various musical traditions around the world. Answer: B. Gong. 3. The basic unit of time in a piece of music, typically characterized by a regular rhythmic pulse. It is what musicians and dancers often synchronize their movements to. Answer D. Beat. 4. A traditional wrap-around skirt worn by women in various cultures, especially in Southeast Asia. In the context of the Banga dance, it refers to the traditional skirt worn by the female dancers. Answer C. Tapis. 5. An ornamental piece worn on the head, often as part of a costume or traditional attire. It can include items like crowns, hats, or other decorative accessories designed to complement the overall outfit. Answer E. Headpiece. Week 4, Day 2. Let's talk about Banga dance. The Banga dance, a traditional Filipino folk dance, highlights the elegance and resilience of Kalinga women from the Cordillera region. Performers balance heavy clay pots or bangas on their heads, showcasing their grace and endurance. The costumes are colorful and intricate, featuring traditional woven fabrics with detailed patterns. Female dancers wear a tapis or wrap-around skirt and a baro fitted blouse, often accessorized with beaded necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Their hair is typically styled in a bun, sometimes adorned with a headpiece. The dance is accompanied by rhythmic and lively music, primarily using traditional instruments like the gangsa, a type of gong, and drums, which provide a steady beat for the dancers. This combination of music, dance, and costumes creates a captivating performance that celebrates the cultural heritage and artistry of the Kalinga people. Worked example, sing and top. Watch a music video of Banga dance, after which you will also sing and top in your respective seats the beat of the song. Week 5, Day 1. Lesson activity number 1. Watch the dance video of Banga dance and execute the steps. Basic steps. The basic steps of sayaw sa banga are small bouncing steps, stomp and brush to the beat of wind chimes. The hands are usually on the waist or stretched sideward. Week 5, Day 2. Lesson activity number 2. Balancing drills. Using available books, you will roam around the class balancing at least 2 books in their heads. Week 6, Day 1. Beads making. Watch a video on how to make paper beads. Learners' takeaways. The most important concept that I learned in this lesson was that the Banga dance shows the strength, balance, and culture of the Kalinga people, especially how they use pots and traditional clothing in their dance. I find the discussion interesting because I learned how the dance and its artworks tell a story about the Kalinga community.
Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!